Next up, the Cellars extraction point on Factory. This one's super easy to get to, and it's underground, so it's nice and hidden away. If you find yourself on the side with the offices, what you'll need to do is get to the other side of the map, but underground. These big silos over here are probably your best bet for entering the underground if you're scared of finding players above ground, so drop down below these silos. We'll have a pathway that we need to go straight down into a big room, then to the left of it, left when we reach the back of it, then at this section here, we'll take a right. This will take us across to another corridor that joins here. If we head a bit further on, this is the area that we're in by door number 2. We'll head down here and down this path that hasn't got the light on the floor. Down in this direction, there'll be a left, and all the way at the end of this very long corridor here, we'll see this staircase, and just above the staircase here is this back section of the map where we can spawn in by all of these forklifts hidden away here. Down here are those 2 sideways generators and the electrical box you'll need to fix at a stage. Down the staircase here, and right behind it is the hidden away extract. You will need a factory key to get in here, but assuming you do have one, you'll be able to extract at the Cellars extract at any time. Without a key, you unfortunately won't be able to get in here, but at least if you have a key, it's a super safe extract as it's really well hidden away. If you close the door behind you, odds are most people won't even bother checking to see if it is unlocked. If we have a look at it on a map, it's a bit difficult to understand, but essentially if you drop down by the silos, you'll find yourself here. If you come down by gate 2, you'll find yourself somewhere here. If you find your way down by gate 2 here, you'll find yourself here. You'll need to head across wherever you are into this long passage here, all the way across to the Cellars extract using the factory exit key on your way out. Very simple. Anyways, that's about it for this very quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!